Hey everybody, welcome back. It is me, Taija, and you are watching Taija View. And today I wanted to go ahead and review some magnetic eyeliner and lashes. If this works, my life will forever be changed. But if you're new here, I upload twice a week, so just go ahead now, subscribe down below, let's be friends, and let's get to the lashes. So today we're going to be trying out the Tori Belle Cosmetics magnetic lashes, and these were given to me by Vanessa Martin. I'm going to go ahead and put all of her information down in the description bar. I may add it on here somewhere, but I will definitely make sure you guys can get in contact with her if you are interested after watching this video. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty sure I've never heard of magnetic lashes until she came to me wanting me to review these, and it just sounds like a good time. Like, if this works, then it's a game changer. Dealing with regular lashes, it's always messy, glue, you put it on wrong, you gotta take it off, you gotta reapply everything. Like, it's always a task. If you've watched my videos before, you already know doing lashes is like my least favorite thing. Like, it's such a struggle. So if this works, like 4-second, pop your eyeliner and the lash clings to it, girl, sign me up. I'm gonna let you guys know what she said about these lashes and the liner. These lashes are by Tori Belle. We are patent pending on our magnetic eyeliner and our magnetic mascara. Once they go through, no one else will be able to sell magnetic eyeliner with lashes like you see cheap in the store. There is no glue. The lashes are held on by the eyeliner, which is tiny magnetic particles to help hold the lashes on, and the lashes have 5 to 6 magnets. The ones she gave me here, these are the selfie lashes. They have 6 styles that come with eyeliner and 1 style that comes with the mascara. We have 3 colors of liner, gray, brown, and black, and she gave me the gray one. They are $60. They include the liner, which will last through 2 sets of lashes, and the lashes last about 20 to 30 plus wears. But I'm looking on their website now, and they do have the bundle where you can buy the eyeliner and the lashes, and they also have where you can just buy the lashes, which are $35 by themselves, and they also have where you can just buy the eyeliner, which is $40 by itself. So if you know me, I like to save money, not like give it away. You do have to think, it's a lot of money up front. The amount of uses you can get out of it is pretty much equivalent to what you would do if you're buying $5 lashes every 3 weeks, or even sometimes more expensive than that. So if these last for a good amount of time, it's pretty much the same thing. You're just giving the money up front. This is the packaging. These are the lashes. I like my vision. I want to see 2020 and what's to come. So we're gonna be safe. We're gonna read the directions. Number 1, apply magnetic eyeliner as you would normally apply your eyeliner. You may use the eyeliner over your regular eyeliner. Number 2, add a second coat. Wait 1 to 2 minutes for it to dry. Starting with the inner corner, gently hold the lashes to eye. Lash will jump to the magnetic liner. Place the rest of the lash on the liner. When you are happy with the placement, lightly press the lash down to set it. If lash does not connect, well, add another coat and allow it to dry and do your thing. This is the actual bottle. Kind of looks like mascara, but when you open it, it's just your regular eyeliner. By the way, this is cruelty-free, vegan-free, and gluten-free. Really quickly, I'm gonna apply this eyeliner, hopefully really quickly. I don't know, let's not speak too soon.
Oh, okay.
So I'm actually pretty impressed with how this just went on, because I watched a couple videos before I did this video just to kind of see what I was getting myself into, and their glue, it's not even glue. Their eyeliner was super like thick and chunky and like, ugh. And this is actually super smooth. It's literally just like regular eyeliner. And I'm gonna add the second coat really quick. And this is easier because I've already laid down the base.
1 to 2 minutes to dry.
Here's the lash. And I usually apply my lashes with tweezers, but obviously metal and a magnet, it's just going to stick to it. So it's really not gonna benefit me to use my tweezers. Hopefully I can put these on without my tweezers because I'm so used to having them, but we will find out. I'm trying to get you guys as close as possible so we can both see what happens next. So here we go. I'm gonna start the inner corner. Oh, hold on. I wasn't ready. This is so cool. Can you see that? Look. Oh my gosh. Did I? See, this is why I need, oh, that's so cool. This is why I need my tweezers. So I'm just gonna try to keep it away from the band. Okay, let's try this again. Oh my goodness. What? Yo. It looks so good. And for the next one, just gonna, oh my goodness. This is wild. This is so crazy. I can't. Oh. Wow. First off, I actually like the lashes. With products like this, they're either like super flimsy, super like sparse lashes, and these are actually super cute. Like I would wear these lashes on a normal day. Number 2, that was so easy. When you deal with regular lashes, if you mess up, you messed up. You gotta start all over. Let's see how good it is attached. Wow. So you could be like, my goodness, my date canceled. Like, that's so annoying. I put these lashes on for no reason. A couple hours go by and you're like, I'm hungry, I need some groceries, but I need to be kind of cute just in case I see somebody, you know? And then you just, I mean, you get back home and you're like, oh, I'm so tired. Oh, I can't wait to take these lashes off. And then your friend calls you, girl, I haven't seen you in such a long time. Do you want to go out and get some dinner and a drink? Like, we need to really catch up. And you're like, you know what? I'll be ready in 5 minutes. So we're gonna get the blow dryer and we're about to make sure these last you. Still attached, still look good. After following all of these evaluation procedures, making sure the lashes stick, making sure the eyeliner looks good, making sure the lashes are cute and they stay on, I 10 out of 10 would recommend. They're so cute, they're so easy to use. The eyeliner was incredible. It's better than some regular eyeliners that I've used before. So if you're thinking like, that's so dope, but I don't have $60. Tax time is coming up. You do have $60, you just ain't got it yet. But seriously, these are definitely worth the money, and you know what they say, what you get is what you pay for. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I hope it was helpful. I know you see stuff like this on Facebook and on Instagram and you're like, that's a gimmick, like whatever. These seriously work and they're really cute. So if you love lashes, or if you want to learn how to use lashes, or if you struggle with lashes, definitely get you a pair of these and just let me know what you think. I promise you, you will not regret it. As always, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Like I said, I will give you all of Vanessa's info so you can hit her up and get you some lashes. And as always, go ahead and subscribe so you can stay along for the journey, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.